Alright guys, so actually I thought I will record a video from my Windows laptop for a live trading. uh, Considering I have put that OBS software like you guys told. It is very nice. I used in my last video. If you see, Alice Blue. Also the mic is really good, so I thought I'll do, but my car is not starting. Both of my car, due to rat bite, or I think because of battery issue, I don't know. So I just called the person. After so many days I'm starting it, it's not starting. So they did a jump start, so I've asked them to take it and go and check properly. And my quid, that is full of rat bites. So yes, so that reason I had to come out and sit here. I cannot record my video, so I thought I'll just record in mobile today also, the vlog. So Sun TV is trading around 410, a very good spike today. If you see, from morning it is just going up because the market is also going up. So I couldn't take any trades in Zerodha, so I was planning to take a trade in Zerodha. By then I had to come here and wait. So let me try to take here, because he has started the vehicle and gone, and he told wait for 20 minutes, let the vehicle start, then he'll come and take and go the vehicle to the garage. So both the vehicle will go. So till then I have to sit here in this hot sun. So we will try to do some video, because I'm sure once this is my car. For the people who don't know, I'm not showing off, I'm just telling you. I just took this car long back. Okay, it was a second hand car. Okay, so now don't think how did he buy a Audi car and all those. So this is a second hand car, guys. With lot of difficulty I took those days. And my quid is something which I took from my office salary. When I used to get, I took a loan EMI and I used to pay EMI. Later I cleared my EMI, and that's how I have two cars. So now no one will know that whether it is a new car or old car. Once you drive a car, they will think it's your car, but the truth is it's a second hand car, basically third hand. I'm the third owner. So but it's a nice car, very beautiful car. You would have seen in my Instagram or something. So yes, but when it goes to repair, 6 months back only I gave for service. They took 37,000 for general service. So it's very expensive, very expensive thing. So today I don't know, when he goes, he will say battery is gone or something is gone. I don't know what is their terms, but quid wire is gone, so they have to replace full wiring because of the rat bite. All because of this lockdown only. So I'm sure one bill will come today. So I have to make that money, that much of money in my account to keep it safe. So that's the reason you would see me doing some aggressive trading today. So don't mind. So beginners don't follow what I'm doing here. I'm just putting my experience here just to save my situation. Alright guys, so I have decided to take a quick position, 2 lots in Zeal. So you see I just took 2 lots just now. So 88, so 187.88 is my average. See, the idea is today market is very much bullish till now. It can change anytime because time is 10:31. So market is bullish till now. If you see, in a shorter period of time, it was just going up and up and up. So most of the stock had an advantage today. Market is coming down, definitely the advantage will reduce or it will come down. But when market is going uptrend, you need to take maximum percentage. When market is going downtrend, you need to take maximum percentage. But market is going sideways, then you need to stick on to your 0.3, or you need to be very careful and exit within the range. Meanwhile, I'll just tell you the story about this Sun TV. So anyways, don't look at this profit and think how much profit is making. No, I'll tell you the thing behind it. Now anyways, the app is not loading. Wait, let's wait. It's my carry forward position. So what is the cost of Sun TV? Okay, it is 409.95, 410. Okay, maybe an internet issue, don't tell me. Yeah, I need to go and connect my Wi-Fi, but I cannot leave the car like this. Okay, it's running. Hopefully this one loads. Yes, go to my orders. Okay, So now don't look at this number 62,000 rupees profit. No, it's not exactly 62,000. See, the thing is, in Zerodha, if you hold your position, it will show the exact position at which you bought. But in terms of angel broking and all those, they will show you the today's open price, so around 384.30, or yesterday's close price they will show. I'm not sure. See here, my order book is not there. This is my carry forward. I'm carrying this position 2-3 days. I'll just check and tell you from how many days. I don't remember exactly. So let's see what is the see here, open price is 384.30, right? If you see here, so this is what is reflecting here. Okay, so whatever price you bought will go off, whether you are in profit or negative, it will go off. It will start from today. So my actual buy price is somewhere around 400 point something. I'll just check that number later part, but 400 is my buy price from 2-3 days back. Because of the Sun Pharma, people thought Sun TV, Sun Pharma is same, and people started selling and the stock started coming down, even though stock is really good. So we will discuss that later. Now I don't have so much patience to talk, because if you see, it's hot over here, and I don't know if I can on the AC also, because if battery will die, then I don't know. He'll come and scold me again, sir, why did you do this? I jump started and gave, and you did like this, and he can't take and go. And I don't know how much it will cost battery for an Audi. I don't know how much you would say if battery is gone. Hopefully battery should have not gone. Let's see. See, this is the problem when you maintain luxury car. I mean, it's a dream of everybody to take a car. So I finally took it. All my savings and all those things I put, and I took it. So yes, you need to spend some money, and lifestyle goes up and your expense also goes up. So think and spend your expenses and all those. So let's see. Alright, stock is in negative, so 40 paisa it is down, so 40, 50, 60 paisa it is down. So every 1 rupee movement will give us 3,400 profit. If you say 0.3, then I would say close to how much, 60 paisa target. Yeah, so 60 paisa target, if you hit, you will be done. But I'm just looking for more in this particular stock. I know it's in the peak already for the day. 1 or 2 spikes you may get, but if I miss my spikes, then I have to bear my trade, just like how I kept my Sun TV for 3-4 days. So the story of Sun TV, I'll tell you by the time he comes back. Okay, he didn't come. So story of Sun TV. See what happened. Sun TV was a good stock, and it was recovering and going up. So during that time, I just took a trade here, 401 or something here, 400 area I took a trade. So that day it went up to 404, almost close to 1% movement, and it reversed. So it reversed very badly. It closed below me, so I holded my position, like, it's a carry forward position. Market volatility is common these days, but Sun Pharma had a bad news, and this stock is reacting to that, and this one came down and down till here. Finally, that I checked every type of research I did. I checked in every website, every channel, what they are talking, what experts are talking. I checked the fundamental. I tried to check what is the technicals for short period of time. Everything looks good, and this stock has fallen. That's when I realized it's all psychology of the people, and it has to recover. Just yesterday I was thinking it has to recover. It will recover someday. Maybe next week it will recover, and we will try to exit my position cost to cost near 400 or something. Today, luckily, just like how I thought, one single candle recovery happened because market supported today. Okay, so that's the beauty of checking your technicals or fundamentals for a longer period of time. Meanwhile, I mean, it's so hot. I'll just remove because nobody is there. Here I can. It's closer to my house itself, so I parked in one place. I have to put both the cars, so I put my Quid near my house. This Audi I put in a empty site where others are putting their cars, Innovas and all those. So yes, Instagram, Instagram I have to post a lot of things. A lot of work is there, so I have a lot of plans on YouTube. I'm planning to post 2 videos, so I've recorded yesterday only, so new type of timetable for me. Yes, a lot of things to come for us, and that's my yesterday's photo for my cover photo. Okay, thumbnail, Instagram thumbnail. Okay, Alright guys, so if you see over here, Zeal has come up, so finally let's exit it. So done. So we took around 10:31. Now the time is 11:39, close to 1 hour time. So 187.88 is where we took. So close to how much? 3 rupees. Somewhere 3 rupees is where we have hit on this particular trade. So I was looking into my car. So they're working on the wiring. So I couldn't record my video. Sun TV went up to 412. Wow, that's a good movement. And then it is coming down a bit. The thing is, anytime the stock can spike down, the volatility is so high. You would have seen in Zeal also. So let me just show you. So if you see Zeal also in the morning, see it opened around let's say 187.25 somewhere, and it has come down to 182. I'm just telling you roughly. Later it has gone again to the same area. So this is the volatility in current market. So it can come down and later go up, and all those will happen. So you need to be very careful. So same thing with now. Sun TV is my old position. So let's see if it can continue, or if it's coming down, or what is happening. Based on the situation, I'll just think over and I will take action. Alright, Sun TV, we closed around 407.77 is the sell value. So I'll just try to identify my buy value and see what is our profit on this particular trade. So this is the report, because in mobile app you will not get the trade history. So trade history over here, let's say it's futures, and let's say go. Please exchange futures. Okay. Alright, so if you see my Sun TV is around, I have taken that 1202 lots, that is 2400 at the price of 400.15. Alright, so if you see in that case, minus 400.15, so 7 rupees 62 paisa into 2400, so 18,288 is the actual profit. But when you see over there, you will think that okay, it's 50,000 plus we have booked. No, because angel broking takes an average, or let's say it takes the open price for the day. So actual trade value will be on the day which we took for these carry forward trades. Okay, but in Zerodha, whatever is the price you bought, it will show same thing on your positions. But in angel broking, in angel broking it shows like this. So the total profits we made, actual profit is 18,000 plus 9,600 is 27,893. So close to 28,000 is the actual profit which I will be getting in my account. Let's say 400 rupees or 500 rupees will go as a brokerage. So remaining amount is the actual money which will come into my account. Rest is just on the platform only. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do hit that like and subscribe. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.